Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about one of the biggest historic reforms which the government has brought yesterday. New Education Policy 2020. Now this policy lays out a clear-sighted vision for full equity and inclusion that ensures no social group is left behind. Now this policy has been formed after extensive consultation all over the country, from gram panchayats to educational professors to researchers to academicians. Everyone has been consulted, and that's the great hallmark of a policy which is going to impact the future of this nation. Now it focuses massively on improving the quality of education. Now this is the key. India lacks the quality of education. And if this education policy focuses on building the quality of education, there can be nothing better than that. And make Indian education system a global destination. Now, which are the global destinations for higher studies or for education all over the country, all over the world, in fact, America, England, Australia, right? And this policy ensures, in fact, determines that India becomes a global destination. That is the part of the objective. This necessitates undertaking of reforms announced in National Education Policy 2020 immediately to facilitate this change, such as full autonomy. Keeping our institutions under heavy government regulation has taken the focus away from quality. New National Education Policy has changed this legacy, and the top 200 ranking universities must be granted full academic, administrative and financial autonomy. This will allow them to expand their course offerings to keep up with the interdisciplinary nature of global innovation. National Research Foundation. National Education Policy announces the establishment of National Research Foundation to fund research across disciplines and support research. Government must fund fundamental and applied research in university laboratories and research institutions on a competitive basis. Increase trained PhDs. Now, National Education Policy focuses on professional education and frontier technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, genomics, etc. It pushes forward the autonomy and NRF funding will improve our innovation and specialization talent. These initiatives lead to an increase in good quality PhD globally. Infrastructure financing. National Education Policy focuses on improving new age learning environments, research and development, sports, culture, hostel facilities, medical facilities, etc. To fund the infrastructure, the higher education finance must be authorized to raise long-term funds from the market. Also, the focus is on gross enrollment ratios. States and districts with lower gross enrollment ratio must be given special grants with 50-50 participation from central and relevant state government. Higher Education Finance Corporation should give loan to bring the gross enrollment ratio of these districts and states to national average in 10 years. National Education Policy proposal to integrate vocational education in educational system can serve as a tremendous growth driver for education. Allow top 100 global universities to set up in India. Now, studying abroad is too expensive for Indian students. National Education Policy facilitates the top 100 global universities to operate in India. The terms must be set to provide a higher degree on par with parent institutions and to operate with full autonomy. National Scholarship Fund. National Scholarship Fund focuses on students and will enable equity in access to all Indians to receive quality higher education degree. Right? It will be modeled on the basis of public-private partnership. Funding for this can be raised from citizens all over the country on 100% tax exemption. So it's a great initiative. I must say that this is a policy which is being liked by all and everyone. And I'm sure this will certainly start to show results in the years to come. Thank you.